Do you know, they say, the stage is not just about performing, it's about storytelling. And every story is a chance to save 1,000 lives.
And today, you'll witness not just performances, but stories that will make you laugh, remember, and perhaps feel even a little nostalgic.
Good morning, and a very warm welcome to all the parents, grandparents, and teachers gathered here today. And welcome to this year's Harshotsav. My name is Aryaman Chopde, and I'm honored to be your compere today. We are thrilled to have you with us this morning. It's not every day we get to show off what we've been working on for weeks. And trust me, today is going to be special.
Good morning, I am Ananya Arun, and I have the absolute privilege and excitement of being the host for this fabulous show. Get ready for a roller coaster of talent, from jaw-dropping dances to heart-melting plays, performed by none other than your own future stars, or as you know them, your children, grandchildren, and students. But this isn't just any other event. Harshotsav is a celebration of creativity, passion, and the hard work of the students of class 9th and 10th. Everything you're about to see has been carefully crafted with dedication, love, and probably more than just a few exhausting rehearsals.
And as much as we, the students, have poured our hearts into these performances, today is about something bigger. It's a celebration of family and happiness. Today, we embark on a journey of recollection, celebrate achievements, and create memories that will linger on in our hearts for years to come. It's not just about what we've achieved, but also the bonds we've formed, the lessons we've learned, and the laughters we shared.
Exactly. There's a reason we invited you all here today, because none of this would be possible without the support of the families and teachers who've always been there for us.
So, consider this morning our way of saying thank you. Thank you for the encouragement, for the guidance, and the occasional, are you sure you're done studying?
And now, without further ado, let's delve deep into our event of music, dance, and drama.
So today, to start the show, we've got someone who truly deserves a standing ovation before she steps onto the stage, the heart and the soul of our school.
Let's give a thunderous round of applause and a warm welcome to none other than our dear Ipshita ma'am.
Good morning, parents, and good morning, Principal ma'am. I think that thunderous applause and the standing ovation is all for you. Thank you very, very much for giving us this stage. And creating Vidya Valley. Dear grandparents and parents, welcome to the Harshotsav at Vidya Valley. Before I ask you to tighten your seat belts, lest you should be tempted to jump onto the stage, like our lovely comperes said, I just want to take a moment and ask you to reflect on two aspects of life that I believe are really, really critical to success, not only for children, but for adults. I've been here for the last 5.5 years, and I've had a journey which is varied. But in the last 2 years, I believe that these two skill sets are have been very, very close to my heart, that I'm still, getting to terms with. One is managing transition, and the other is the ability to master emotional agility. I think since you are parents of class 9 and 10, this is something that you could really, really reflect on and introspect. Life is a ceaseless process of transitions. From outside, these may seem like snapshot in time. What we see only as a small marker of change is a part of a longer, non-linear process. Transitions unravel our understanding of who we are to make space for who we are about to become. Transitions can be dismantling, disorienting, and disengaging. Parents, I know that sometimes you are battling the same aspects. Your young adult children are going through this phase, and perhaps you are too. I do believe our most valuable tool at this juncture is to understand emotional agility. The fight to never feel bad is a losing fight. Everyone goes through ups and downs, and it is natural for you as parents and your young children to feel anger, shame, regret, remorse, and bitterness. Emotional agility is about facing ups and downs with an open mind, almost like a soccer player who is dodging his ball across the unpredictable opponents. These emotions are like friends and teachers of life. We need to accept them, look at them at face value, learn from them, and then have the ability to discard them. Parents, I have 3 basic strategies I think that often even my mother and me use from time to time. You know, these are not aspects we deal with as teenagers, but every time we go through transitions. The first one, which I think I use for my daughter and for my mother and my mother and my dad, we use it for each other, is show up. Be present when your children are going through emotional turmoils. Sit with them, accept the turmoils that both of you are going through, and make conversations with one another. The other one is to step out. Tell your children, and in my case, even adults, to leave the echo chamber of self-talk and let the other person know that they are not the emotions. They are the human beings, and emotions are merely a part of them. I think a very, very important aspect is finding your why. At this juncture of life, I think it's important to let your children know, take a pause and find your why. It is the why that gives you direction and purpose. It is the bedrock of life. And only when you know this why is when you can navigate your emotions in accordance with the why. It just makes you more at peace. So parents, I think emotional agility is the most valuable gift that you can give your children. You can let them learn how to react with grace when life tries to tackle them. Thank you very, very much. With this, I'd like to call Mrs. Sengupta to add a few lines to this. Thank you, parents. Have a wonderful show.
Good morning, parents. It's very unusual to say good morning. Usually we say good evening. But today, unfortunately, the rain has played spoil sport, and we have had to change the venue to this beautiful hall. Luckily, Ipshita and Nilima found this beautiful hall, and we are here today. As Ipshita rightly says, we all transition right from babyhood to middle life, to adulthood, and to youth, and to adulthood. And this schooling, the time of schooling, is the transitional period for all children. So today, we are, I know, not entertainers, but we are here to entertain you. And the children bring you their offering with a lot of love and a desire to spread happiness. So, not being entertainers, do forgive us some of our lapses. As she rightly said, that parents need to give their children a time for break, to collect themselves and go on to the next phase. So sometimes we feel that events like this are a waste of time. They never are a waste of time. They are a time for us to collect ourselves, to find ourselves, to see what we have to do, our talents, to make friends, as our compeers rightly said. And these are the most valuable times of growing up, because after this, we are running in a rat race to find colleges, to find careers, and once we have that, we are set into our life. So give them a time and a space and the freedom to choose what they want to. So I welcome you this morning over here to enjoy what the children have prepared for you. Thank you, Ipshita, thank you, Nilima, and thank you, the teachers. Yes.
Parents, on the backdrop of elections, I think we are very used to this 100 days period, right? So I think we are galloping towards 100 days from where we started on June 15th. Oftentimes, I think everybody is not able to recollect all the events that happen in school. So just to let you know, the teachers work tirelessly, whether it is for the singing festival, all the ICSC sporting festivals, the debates, the declamations. We've had wonderful career talks for your children in classes 8, 9, and 10. We have tied up with the climate warriors to look at sustainability as project-based learning. In that way, there are many, many activities that different teachers take up apart from academics and corrections and meeting with parents to tell them about how their children are faring. So I would like a big, big round of applause for all the teachers at Vidya Valley School.
And perhaps a round of applause for the parents who have to deal with their children at home when we give them work for them to do. So a round of applause for all the parents who have been most supportive.
At this point, I'd like to call Rahul sir, who's the head of music, dance, and theatre, and is the main curator of this program. In fact, he went and scouted for a lot of halls, and then he came up with this particular one that would be suitable to house the people, have enough parking, and also look attractive and look after the music and lights. Ma'am, would you like to... Yeah, you can just say a little bit about...
Rahul is our HOD for cultural events, and he has done a marvelous job. It's not easy, parents, to collect children, to make them practice, yes, and to put up a show that is worthy of showcasing. So I thank Rahul sir. He must be tearing his hair out. He must have got white hair also, yes. But thank you so much for being at Vidya Valley and for taking up this job. Thank you, Ipshita, for putting this in place for us. Thank you.
At this time, I'd like to call another wonderful person, Miss Nilima Sawant, who's the headmistress of the senior school. Nilima, if I can welcome you here. It's very dark, yeah. It's difficult to see.
Maybe you can put on the light for 5 minutes.
Can you just put on the light a little bit? It's become very difficult to see. Little bit of light. Yes.
5 minutes so that we can see.
Just want to appreciate Nilima ma'am for all the hard work and her team, who you will see in a little while. And I think when we were talking about emotional agility and transition, Nilima and me and the 10th standard children had a bit of a moment because all of them wanted to rush up before their show, and we had to say, no, please, you have to come down and go only after your show. So all of that has been put into practice. Ma'am, if you'd like to say something, and Nilima after that.
Yes. Thank you, Nilima, for being at Vidya Valley and for, again, I mentioned parents disciplining 15 and 16-year-olds children is not easy, right? You face it at home, we face it at school. But believe me, each of your children is a gem. They have a spark, and if they are handled well, they will shine. And I think Nilima has the capability of reaching out to every child and handling them. So thank you so much for being here as our headmistress.
Thank you, Sengupta ma'am. Good morning, parents. I don't hear anything. Good morning once again. Thank you. My children are more louder than you all. Let me hear one more time. Good morning. Yes, thank you. Normally, I interact with you all on school diary with just the name Nilima Sawant over there. And I thought this would be the right time to thank each one of you, 9th and 10th parent, for your lovely support and cooperation in all the activities which we do in the school. It is not possible without your support and the school support together. Thank you for all the trust which you show in us and Sen Gupta ma'am over here. And I would just take one more minute to tell you about Thursday. Thursday was declared a holiday for us, and we were wondering how to do our practice. Our 10th standard were already ready to practice again at each other's homes, and we were wondering how to set up this stage over here. So Rahul sir and Kritika ma'am, and if I'm not wrong, Sachin Kaka, they all went to school and they were sending us photographs. We were all present online and they were sharing, okay, should we get this table? Should we get this mic? And we were responding. We were trying to work online on Thursday. And Rahul sir, Kritika ma'am were there till 9 o'clock yesterday, along with Ajay sir. This is not, I'm not trying to say how teachers are working hard. This is for our kids, I'm saying. It's not your kids, our kids. They have put up a show together. And as ma'am said, we are not experts. We would like each and every child of our school to be a part of this activity, whether they can dance or cannot dance. We would like each and every child on the stage. That is the uniqueness of Vidya Valley. Whether the child learns to dance or not, but we want him on the stage because that gives the stage confidence to the child. And I think our 9th and 10th have put up a show. You might think it's a little a Bollywood night, not night, I would say afternoon. But I think you all will enjoy the show. Thank you for being present here, all of you.
I would like, if you allow me, to mention about Ipshita. She is my daughter, and I'm really happy that she's here to help me while we are setting a next phase of the school. Vidya Valley has completed 25 years, starting from a very small bungalow, and today we are on a beautiful campus. A legacy needs to be carried on, and who but your own daughter can understand the philosophy and carry it on. Believe me, it is wonderful to have daughters. I have a son also. But thank you, Ipshita, for being here.
Thank you very much, Mama. I'm so glad for the trust, and we'll all keep it, reaching the stars together as a team. Thank you so much.
And it's, I think, wonderful working with Ipshita. We are always ready for new ideas, Ipshita. And as she said, behind the screen, we have a lot of things happening, but we always work as a team together. Thank you for being here. Quickly, teachers. So parents, these are the teachers of 9th and 10th who have helped us to curate the show. Is Vibhuti up? Yes. Any teacher left out? Ajay sir, can you please come?
I request Ipshita and Nilima to please give these teachers the sweets. They are very sweet teachers. I don't know if the children will agree if they are very sweet,
Sure.
but we nevertheless will give them the chocolates.
Sure.
Thank you for being here, teachers. You know, I would never like to be anything but a teacher. Believe me, teachers don't earn, I don't earn as much as my son does, but being a teacher is the reward that you get of looking after children of junior KG to 16-year-olds.
I will slightly disagree with over here. All the teachers are very sweet over here. I think sometimes in the classroom we have to be little bit strict with them, but those are our 9th and 10th standard teachers. Thank you for a lovely team, and let's rock the afternoon today.
Yeah, and I think we changed the teacher appreciation to the beginning. Now they have their high heel shoes on, and now they have to get their skates on so they can get to work at the back. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.
And ma'am, this is for you.
Come today.
I love chocolates, so thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Ananya and Aryaman. Thank you very much.
Did you miss us?
I want to mention one thing about our anchors. They are from Standard 9. They are charming, and they have been practicing to keep us entertained in between the shows when we have breaks. So give them a clap, Aryaman Chopre and Ananya Arun. Thank you.